Hey y'all, welcome back to the show. So here on YOLO Texas, we are all about seeking out fun, and we know you are too. So what if we told you we found an amusement park that's jam-packed with not only great entertainment, but also serves a great cause. It's a theme park in San Antonio that is designed for kids of all ages, and every ride is completely wheelchair accessible. Words cannot describe how wonderful this place is, so see it for yourself as Ariel takes you through Morgan's Wonderland.
Welcome to Morgan's Wonderland, the world's first ever ultra-accessible theme park located in the Alamo city. Opening in the spring of 2010, this extraordinary park has been putting smiles on the faces of people from around the world.
We've heard so many amazing things about this place, and I, for one, am so excited to be here. But first off, we're gonna go meet the man behind this inspirational park.
Native to San Antonio, Mr. Gordon Hartman and his family have been working toward the betterment of special needs individuals to ensure 100% inclusion at Morgan's Wonderland. And of course, Morgan is the spark that started it all.
Well, Morgan is an incredible young lady. Morgan has some special needs, but the beauty of Morgan is even though she's had to deal with all those different issues, she always has a smile on her face. She always wants to give you a hug. She loves life, and she is the inspiration behind everything that we do.
So what goes into creating Morgan's Wonderland?
What we did, because we had a general concept that we wanted to develop an ultra-accessible, fully inclusive park. Not a special needs park, a park where everyone can come together and enjoy play. We went out to the community and said, we have this general idea, come and see us and tell us what would you put in a park like this. So it's really a grassroots approach. And so being the first, we had to kind of get outside the box and make it happen.
What plans do you have for Morgan's Wonderland?
2 years ago, Morgan's Wonderland added Morgan's Inspiration Island, which is the first ultra-accessible water park. We're also the only place in the entire world that has a pneumatic wheelchair, where actually you can sit in a wheelchair, be fully independent, and go through the water. So there's a lot of things that we do here to really get outside the norm to ensure that this park represents an opportunity for 100% of everybody to participate, not just a certain percentage. And that's the beauty of bringing everybody together, and that's what happens here on a daily basis. Morgan's Wonderland is for all ages. You will definitely enjoy it, I can guarantee you that.
And with more than 25 attractions throughout the park, we thought we would stop by to see the magic show first.
Can you guys wave your hands like this? Can you guys wave your hands and go 1, 2, 3, friendship! Grab that. Keep pulling that toilet paper. Keep pulling. It's the magic toilet paper. Oh my goodness. Keep pulling. Help her out there, Ariel. But what I want you guys to do is, if you meet new friends out here today at Morgan's Wonderland, if you want to tear off a piece of this and give them a piece as a souvenir.
That magic show was pretty neat, but I still have a lot more to explore and some friends to make.
Speaking of friends, we met up with the edutainment director, Nikki Young, who just happened to introduce us to our brand new friend.
I think you're going to have a great time, and I've got a great friend who's going to give you a tour. This is Leah.
Hi, I'm Leah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And this is her mom, Karen.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. And her dad, Drew.
Nice to meet you.
They've been coming here a long time, and they will give you the best Wonderland tour.
Perfect. So we're in front of the carousel, which I heard is your favorite ride.
It's my favorite.
It is. Do you want to go ride with me?
Yes, I would love to.
Okay, let's go. Y'all have fun.
Hey y'all, welcome back to YOLO Texas, where Ariel is exploring the wonder that is Morgan's Wonderland.
Y'all, we've been having the time of our life. We met up with the man behind the creation of this unique park, and we met up with our tour guide for the day, Leah. First up on our list of attractions to see, Leah's favorite, the carousel.
You ready? Ready. Oh, okay. Whoa. Took off faster than I thought.
The carousel at Morgan's Wonderland allows for kids and adults of different abilities to fully experience the fun of a merry-go-round.
Oh no, it's over. It is. Oh, there's more.
There's more?
Oh yes.
Where are we going to go to next?
Well, there's a ferris wheel.
Okay, I'll go wherever you want to go.
Okay.
Oh, already, here we go. You love it here, right?
I do. It's because I have Down syndrome. It means It means that I have an extra carousel.
You work here too, right?
Yes, I do. I'm Dan Joey. You are just my right handler.
Okay.
And I did production assistant, usher at the stage. I did a lot of cool stuff.
I love this place. I'm gonna bring my nephews here. They would love this.
They would.
Now, not only did we get the chance to spend the day with Leah, we got to visit with her parents.
First and foremost, your daughter is absolutely amazing.
We think so too.
She is so talented. But from a parent's perspective, what has Morgan's Wonderland done for you and for your family?
It's actually what it's advertised as. It's a place of inclusion. Everybody can come, everybody can have fun. Just having a place here where she can come and there's people that look like her, that act like her, that everybody can come and just be a part of this, it's just incredible.
It's been an amazing day, and it's amazing that it's here in San Antonio.
You know, we're here in San Antonio. It's the only park in the world that's like this. And there are people that come from all over the nation. Time magazine just named it one of the top 100 places to visit in the world. And so, you know, we agree with that. We love Morgan's Wonderland. We love what the Hartmans have done and what their vision was with Morgan. And just wanting to have a place where everybody could be included and be a part of this and just come out and have a great time.
One stop that is a must at Morgan's Wonderland is Sensory Village, a place where visitors can get their imagination running wild through a series of unique experiences. Last but certainly not least,
welcome to Wonderland Express.
we hopped on the choo-choo train, my personal favorite, for a ride around the park.
All right, y'all, that wraps up my time here at Morgan's Wonderland. If you haven't been, you have to come. I mean, it was named one of Time Magazine's top 100 places to visit in the world, right here in our home state of Texas.
Visit the world's first ultra-accessible theme park by clicking on morganswonderland.com.